Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw some patriotic ice cream in honor of the 4th of July. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cute patriotic ice cream for the 4th of July, let's begin with the top. I'm going to start here, and all you want to do is make a nice big sad face shape, nice and round like this. Next, starting here, we're going to make some curvy, kind of wavy, bumpy lines all the way across here for the bottom of our ice cream. Next, I like to go ahead and draw just a couple little broken lines here for some detail. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve in, and then one more over here that's going to curve in. We'll do the same thing. We make a little curve, and then we're going to make some wavy, bumpy lines right across here for the bottom. Then we're just going to go ahead and make those little broken lines again. We'll do that again right here. Just draw a line that curves in on each side. Then we're going to make kind of like a wavy, bumpy, curvy line all the way across here. Now at the bottom, we want to make a nice cone. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down at an angle. Then we just bring it right up here like a big V shape. Now let's add a few little curved lines right across the bottom here. You can see I made them going one way at an angle. Then I'm going to make them go the opposite way. Now up here I want to give our ice cream a little face. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. We're going to leave some space and let's make another circle for an eye right over here. We'll put a little black dot inside each one. And then for the mouth we'll make a line across. And then a line that's going to come down and up. With a little sad face in there for the tongue, and then let's just go ahead and color in the rest of the mouth. Now up here I'm going to make some little stars. Now to draw a star, all you have to do is draw an upside down V like this. Then you make two lines on each side, and then two lines that come down. Then we're going to put a line that goes down and up, and then down and up again. Now, when you put your stars on here, I like to put them kind of all over the place. So I'm just going to go ahead and put another star right here in the middle. And then I'm going to put one over here, and sometimes you can even turn these a little bit, put them more at an angle. And I'm going to make this one kind of go off the side a little bit. I'm going to make a little point that goes out, and then we're going to bring it back here just to kind of show there might be another star there. And then we'll put another little partial star over here, and then one over here too. Now on this one I want to add some stripes. So I'm just going to draw some wavy lines that just come down all the way to the bottom of our ice cream. Just make these nice little wavy lines. And then on this bottom one here, I'm just going to add some different size little circles all over here. I'll make some big, some small, and I'll make some going off the side of the ice cream too. So I'm just going to fill these in, and then this will be a nice one that we can color in with like some different red, white, and blue patterns on here. We're just going to put a few on there. Maybe a couple more here. And there you go, there is your drawing of some cute patriotic 4th of July ice cream. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.